What's up, my people? Listen, guys, this is day one. We're going to show you guys exactly every day, step by step, how to flip a property. It's going to take us maybe 60 days, 45 days, and this is day one, demo day, and I'm going to bring you guys in. We haven't even started demoing yet. It's so fresh of a property. We haven't cleaned anything up yet. We're going to bring you guys on in and show you guys exactly how we do this, okay? And how it's going to be a step-by-step beginner's guide or a pro guide, whoever wants to watch, right? Guide for them to learn how to flip houses, okay? So first things first, you come in the house, living room. We got some ceiling issues here. Got some trash we got to get out of here. We got some appliances we need to change out, some cabinets we need to either take out or fix up. These cabinets look like they're in decent enough shape to where I think I could repair these cabinets. It's a lot of cabinets, guys. Look how many cabinets this is. It's crazy. And they're like built in. I wouldn't want to replace all these. It would take a lot of money, okay, guys, a lot of time. I can see that from here, from being a professional, that I can clean these up, put new handles on them, put new hardware on them, and we'll be looking good. So that's something to think about when you're flipping houses. Now we're gonna change out all these appliances, you know, do new refrigerator, new hood vent, all that stuff, new stove, new dishwasher over here, new sink spout, new sink, all that. That sink spout actually looks good. Those are like the ones we use in the flips. We could clean that up too. Look, guys, you gotta save as much money as you can save. These windows, some of these windows do have to go. We'll probably have to change out some of these windows. They're older, but they are in good shape. There's nothing really wrong with them. You know, and we could possibly, you know, the flooring needs to be redone. If you can see the flooring here, it's buckled up. You see that? You see that moving like that? I don't know if you can see my foot. Yeah, you can. It's all buckled up. So we got to change that out. Look, there's mice droppings all over the counter top and shit. It's unbelievable. I'm gonna take you guys, this is one bathroom here, I guess. Uh-oh. Looks like we might have had some squatters in the house, you know. They told me nobody's been here for a little bit of time. Oh man. Gotta change all this out. We'll do tile all the way up to the very top of this, make sure I get all that for you, of this shower surround. We'll do all that. We'll do, we'll either take this old tile out of here like this and take this whole cabinet thing out of here 9 times out of 10. And if not, we might could go over this with like a wainscoting, some type of cover or something, so we don't have to take it all out. The flooring, obviously we got to redo the flooring in here. This room here seems to be pretty good. Seems to be in good shape, decent shape. It could be much worse, guys, I'll tell you that much. Here, we got another bed laying on the floor. Oh man, it stinks. Whew. I know it's that mattress, man. Nobody, whoever been laying on that side. And then you come back around to the kitchen again. I don't know if I showed you guys, so it kind of loops around, you know, from the kitchen, and then you go back down through here and you go around. Here's the basement down there. I'll show you guys that in just a second. I didn't show you guys this room back here. I believe there's 3 or 4 bedrooms up here. We gotta rip all this carpet out of here. Rip the carpet out. Looks like we got some more ceiling work we need to do back there. They actually, the person we bought it from had just put another roof on here. The house has been sitting a while, and they haven't fixed the inside damage of this house, of this, of a lot of this. And that door right there goes to outside. I might just drywall that off, you know. I don't know, I might drywall this whole room, you know. Some people like this look of this room, you know, so I might not waste my time doing it either. You know, maybe you could paint it white, sand it down and paint it white. I don't know, you just gotta think of, you know, ways to save money on these flips, because you can't just redo everything, you know. It's not a $1 million house either, you know. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's gonna be decently expensive for the area we're in, for the state we're in. We're in Michigan, and it's gonna be around 300. Don't get me wrong, but oh man, see all that down there? All this could be drywalled. We could drywall all this. Ceiling, again, looks like some plumbing upstairs needed to be fixed. Looks like it's got a little bar down here. Like, I'm gonna show you guys step by step exactly how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna drywall this whole thing right here. This got a fireplace down here. I'm drywalling that whole area. Obviously, the ceiling's gotta be fixed. I'm drywalling probably just the whole ceiling and put can lights in like we did over at the other place. Showed you guys that a couple of times. This back, all this electrical panel and all this stuff. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh man, I don't know what that was. This electrical panel and stuff needs to be changed out. You see that box? It's all fuses. You know, it's old school stuff. So I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's old and that. So I got to get my electrician over here, fix that. Some of this plumbing needs to be fixed up, taken care of. I mean, guys, this is an overhaul. It's a lot of work at the end of the day. So just painting alone, the painting the house this size is just, I mean, it's ungodly. It's a huge place. I mean, much less, you know, actually doing construction work to it. All this paneling in here, you know, we got ways we can work with this paneling and make it like drywall again and make it look like drywall anyways. We got tricks of the trade we use, you know. It's top secret you guys are gonna find out, you know, on this channel, that how to flip a house, you know, the right way from a professional, you know. But I just want to show you guys a walkthrough of the property, day one, episode one, how to flip houses, step by step, day by day. Every day I'm gonna bring you guys back every day or two, because things, you know, sometimes you get caught up in a project and you're tiling for 2 days or 3 days, and it's just, you know, coming back, you really don't see a whole lot of results. But I'm gonna bring you guys back as much as possible, and we're just gonna keep, right now we're just gonna work on demoing this whole stuff out. So we'll probably have that done by maybe tomorrow or the next day, some of it, one load of it, and then we got to go back, and obviously once we get in different rooms, we'll be demoing other stuff out. So as we go, we'll just keep demoing stuff out. Hopefully this will be you know, this is like getting to have a mentor walk around with me every day, all day, and, you know, learn the real estate game. So I just wanted to, you know, give you guys a quick walkthrough of what the property looked like, upstairs, downstairs, a little bit of outside. You know, I'll show you guys out to the garage and all that a little bit later, and we'll do another walkthrough in the next day or so, and we'll get going. Hey, make sure you guys, if you guys made it this far, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you watch the channel. Make sure you say what's up. Make sure you comment. Make sure you talk to me. Make sure you ask questions. Looks like we need to change this window out here, guys, right there. See? Told you we was gonna have to change some windows out regardless. We have to fix this fireplace up. Maybe we tile that. But, you know, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do it. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, do whatever I can do to help you guys. Looks like we got some more ceiling work there. It just goes on and on. We got paneling in there. I mean, I could go on and on. Don't even let me start opening up these doors, you know what I mean? So, you know, anyway, I just want to, you know, I'm signing out. I hustle hard as you know what, and stay locked in with me. Later.